Healthiest food choices. Have you ever wondered how to lose weight faster than you know how? What can you eat without consequence? Is such food available? Hence, we will show you 13 low-carb items, and we will assume that each no-carb food is not processed or altered in any way. It is simply pure, healthy food that you may eat. But first, make sure you like this video. Share your opinions about these foods in the comments section below. And subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos about health. Let's get started. Number 1. Leafy greens. 1 cup leafy greens is equal to 1 gram carbohydrates. Leafy greens, which include spinach, kale, arugula, bok choy, Swiss chard, and collard greens, are the first low-carb food on the list. Leafy greens are high in nutrients. Leafy greens are high in fiber, which supports the gut and heart, and lowers inflammation, antioxidants, which is helpful for the brain and heart. Calcium, which is essential for bone health. Magnesium, which is vital for cellular health, and B vitamins, which are significant for brain health. Number 2. Cauliflower. 1/5 medium head cauliflower is equals to 5 gram carbohydrates. When you walk down the frozen food sections at the supermarket, you will see that cauliflower is a main ingredient in many typically high-carb dishes like rice, mashed potatoes, and more. Both dietitians are in favor of it. Cauliflower can help your immune system, bone health, and reduce your risk of inflammation. Number 3. Cabbage. 1 cup cabbage is equals to 5 grams carbohydrates. Did you know cabbage has the same nutritional value as kale? Another low-carb vegetable. There are numerous methods to prepare cabbage, such as adding it to soups, salads, or producing probiotic-rich slaw. Number 4. Tomato. 1 cup tomatoes is equals to 7 grams of carbohydrates. Want to boost your immune system but don't like citrus? Tomatoes are another fruit high in vitamin C, which is why we included this low-carb food. Eating tomatoes on a daily basis is also beneficial to your skin because the fruit's carotenoids defend against UV rays. Number 5. Salmon. 0 grams carbohydrates. Everyone can benefit from eating more seafood because it is all low carb. Salmon, in particular, is high in omega-3 fatty acids, a form of fat that reduces inflammation and protects against heart disease and mental disorders. Number 6. Tuna. 0 carbohydrates. Tuna, like salmon, is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. You will receive the benefits of tuna whether you buy it fresh, frozen, or canned. Tuna, like other types of fish, is high in protein, so adding it to your meal will make it more filling and provide your body with energy. Number 7. Grass-fed beef. 0 grams carbohydrates. Meat, like seafood, does not include carbohydrates, but it does not make it healthier than plant-based proteins that do, such as beans or lentils. We advocate grass-fed beef As a nutrient-dense sort of meat, it has more vitamins A and E, less overall fat, and a better omega-3 over omega-6 ratio than grain-fed meat. Number 8. Skinless chicken breast and thighs. 0 grams carbohydrates. Other solid meat protein options include skinless chicken breast and thighs because the skin contains the majority of the saturated fat in chicken. Skinless chicken is more healthier. Number 9. Eggs. One large egg is equals to 0.6 grams carbohydrates. Eggs are a simple, low-carb source of protein that is also beneficial to the heart. Eggs are high in various B vitamins, as well as immune-boosting elements like zinc and selenium. Eggs are also high in vitamin D. What makes eggs so delicious is that they are quick and simple to prepare with other healthy foods like vegetables. They are also a low-cost protein option. Number 10. Goat cheese. 0 grams carbohydrates. Even though calcium is an important vitamin for bone health, especially for postmenopausal women, some people do not get enough of it. Cheese is a low-carb choice that can aid with calcium and protein, while also adding taste to meals and snacks. Combine goat cheese, which contains no carbohydrates, with marinated olives for a filling snack or appetizer. Number 11. Walnuts. 1 ounce walnuts is equals to 4 grams carbohydrates. Walnuts contain fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, vitamin B6, copper, and manganese, all of which are linked to a variety of health advantages such as heart health, digestive health, and cognitive health. According to Harvard research, people who ate walnuts 5 times a week had a 14% lower chance of dying from any cause, a 25% lower risk of dying from heart disease, and at 1.3-year increase in life expectancy. That's pretty significant. Number 12. Extra virgin olive oil. 0 grams carbohydrates. While watching, have you ever asked yourself what cooking oil you should use on a low-carb diet? Extra virgin olive oil, according to both nutritionists, is a fantastic choice regardless of the type of eating plan someone is on. This is yet another zero-carb item that is excellent for the heart and helps to prevent chronic inflammation. Number 13. Avocado oil. 0 grams carbohydrates. Avocado oil is another olive oil that you should keep on hand in your kitchen. Avocado oil, like olive oil, contains no carbs, but it is high in heart-healthy unsaturated fats. Avocado oil has also been researched for its health benefits, which include polyphenol, antioxidants. When cooking at high temperatures or when you want a more neutral flavor, use avocado oil. These 13 low to no carb healthy foods can help you stay fit, maintain your weight, or lose it. What do you think? Maybe some of these are not what you expected. We hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips on becoming healthier for a better life. So, which of these will you try first? Share it with us in the comments. Thank you, and we will see you in our next video.